Ever thought about switching banks or opening a new account? It can be a daunting task with so many options out there. Today, we're diving into two popular choices, SoFi and EverBank. But which one is the better fit for you? Both SoFi and EverBank have made a name for themselves in the financial industry, offering a range of products and services. But with so many similarities, how do you decide which one is right for you? Let's break down the key factors and see which bank comes out on top. SoFi, a modern banking experience. Overview: SoFi is known for its innovative approach to banking, offering a range of products and services designed to help you achieve your financial goals. Key features: savings accounts, high-interest savings accounts with competitive rates and no minimum balance requirements. Checking accounts, fee-free checking accounts with ATM fee reimbursement and mobile check deposit. Personal loans for a variety of purposes, including debt consolidation, home improvement, and medical expenses. Investment accounts, invest in stocks, bonds, and ETFs through SoFi Invest. Mortgage loans, get pre-approved for a mortgage and work with a SoFi mortgage expert. Benefits: member benefits, enjoy exclusive perks like discounts on travel, technology, and more. Financial planning, get personalized financial advice from SoFi advisors. SoFi Relay, easily manage your finances and set financial goals with this intuitive app. EverBank, a trusted financial institution. Overview: EverBank has been a trusted financial institution for over 25 years, offering a wide range of products and services. Key features: savings accounts, competitive interest rates on savings accounts with no minimum balance requirements. Checking accounts, fee-free checking accounts with ATM fee reimbursement and mobile check deposit. Personal loans for a variety of purposes, including debt consolidation, home improvement, and medical expenses. Investment accounts, invest in a variety of financial instruments through EverBank Wealth Management. Mortgage loans, get pre-approved for a mortgage and work with an EverBank mortgage expert. Benefits: customer service, enjoy excellent customer service with knowledgeable and helpful representatives. Online and mobile banking, easily manage your finances online or through the EverBank mobile app. Financial education, access resources and tools to help you improve your financial literacy. Comparing SoFi and EverBank. Savings accounts, both banks offer competitive interest rates on savings accounts with no minimum balance requirements. However, SoFi may have slightly higher rates in some cases. Checking accounts, both banks offer fee-free checking accounts with similar features. However, SoFi may have more perks and benefits for its members. Personal loans, both banks offer personal loans for a variety of purposes. However, SoFi may have more flexible terms and a wider range of loan options. Investment accounts, both banks offer investment accounts. However, SoFi may have a more user-friendly investment platform and a wider range of investment options. Mortgage loans, both banks offer mortgage loans. However, SoFi may have a more streamlined mortgage application process and more personalized mortgage advice. Which bank is right for you? Consider your needs. The best bank for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. If you're looking for a modern banking experience with a focus on financial planning and member benefits, SoFi may be a good choice. If you're looking for a trusted financial institution with excellent customer service and a wide range of products and services, EverBank may be a better fit. Compare rates and fees. Be sure to compare the rates and fees for each bank to find the best deal for you. Read customer reviews. Read customer reviews to get a sense of the overall customer experience at each bank. In this video, we've compared SoFi and EverBank, two popular banking options. We've looked at their key features, benefits, and how they stack up against each other. Ultimately, the best bank for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. By carefully considering the factors we've discussed, you can make an informed decision and choose the bank that best suits your financial goals. If you're still unsure which bank is right for you, consider visiting the websites of SoFi and EverBank to learn more about their products and services. You can also contact their customer service teams to ask any questions you may have. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.